Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, this video is focused on my hydraulics set, and last time I was primarily doing some refill of the pistons and some testing of the manual part, and it turned out that these parts, this one and the one behind, which is the ending of this pivot, needs to be connected in order to make this pivot work quite well. This one is now stabilized, but this one is far from stabilized, as it turned out. So that is what I will try to do this time, and of course testing. Refilling, not so much, although here is some air pockets, here are some air pockets, and here a little bit as well, but I'll leave them be for now. So up next, some reconstruction. During the preparation of this modification or reconstruction, looking right down on it, this part, which has to be connected to this part, I noticed that it wasn't perpendicular. It was like this and not the way it should be. The reason is this piston, which was not hindered by anything and just pushed it out. So now the question is also, is this one the correct length? But apart from that, this way is perpendicular, and the question is this one the good length? I do think so, but I only find out when I have put this on the right length, the right height, and connected it. And only then I will see if this one is really fitting, because I think it is a little bit too long. But let's put parts in place and see how it works out. Alright, the reconstruction modification is in place now. I had to do it a little bit different than I intended, but I had to connect this kind of stuff with a solid stuff, and then it turns out to be like this for now, because this is a 4-hole piece and I actually need to do it tidy with this 3-part piece, 3-hole piece, if I manage. And so now the construction is this one, the frame, this part to the frame, and then this one connecting as well. Should be nice, should be good. Will it work out? That's not a question. So next step is testing again, and hopefully the air sockets right here and right here don't play up too much, but we'll only see when it is tested. So let's test. With this piston, it should move this one, hopefully without bouncing because of the air, and then it should finally handle this one correctly. But unfortunately, here a large amount of air, actually half the piston, more than half the piston is air. So that's not good at all. Okay, now, yeah. Unfortunately, water has gone air in place, which means that I will do it like this. Okay, now this works at this moment quite nicely. Well, apart from this happening, and apart from this happening. So, since I want this propeller to work, I will go to screencast and check anything with the software. But I will first have to refill the water here. So, same camera view, but different camera, webcam, with Python and the terminal to run it. So, now let's see after a refill how everything works out this time. So obviously this part is going as well, and with this part I mean the automated part, but I'm right now more interested in this one, and I need this one to be firmly locked like this. See, and that matters a lot. Although here is a large air socket, which it also makes it bounce once again. But here I'm more interested in this. Yeah, I can't remove the air, and that's a pity. Okay, so let me do it manually then. It barely touched the... Okay, so why doesn't this work out? This does. Yeah, but that's with my help. With a little bit of help, which is not the intention. Now it does. Okay, so this needs to have the right altitude as well. Okay. Pull. Push. Yeah, and this is once again due to the air in here. So okay, if I pull it further, is that the matter? Not quite. This is not staying in position. So either this should be improved or this should be improved. And there are more things go wrong. Okay. Not what I expected. Okay, so now I have fixed this one, which was relatively simple. Another thing that I noticed, but that was outside of the view, the motor didn't run, or this motor didn't run, and the cause was that one of the wires here of the lamp had gone disconnected, so I had to use a screwdriver to fix the wiring. apart from that, the amount of air is a returning problem. So what I need to figure out is how to get rid of all the air. And in the beginning it seemed a very nice idea to put 3 pistons apart, but well, let me put it different then. Block this one, use this, and it immediately bounces, because the amount of air in the system simply does not matter. So either get rid of a piston, which I actually would not like to do, or find a solution to remove all the air and keep it removed, because that is still a problem, the evaporation of the water. Or, yeah, what else can it be? Anyway, when I get rid of that problem, then this will work as well. I'm convinced of that. But for now, it's a problem. But how to solve it? So, with a few fixed issues and a continuing of the air problem, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and please click the bell for getting notifications. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also support by making a donation via PayPal or becoming a patron, which is also possible via from €2 or $2. Please do visit my website for other projects I do with fischertechnik and embedded systems. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.